Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S5 and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and once your watch is paired with a phone, we can continue. You will need basically a phone to pair the devices, not pair the devices, but connect the watch to the Wi-Fi network. And you need the phone because if the network is password protected and you need to enter the password, you will need to use the MiFitness application to enter the password instead of entering it directly on the watch, because you can't really do it. Okay, and to connect to the Wi-Fi network on the watch, you need to open the settings, Wi-Fi settings to be exact, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. Then find the Wi-Fi icon and then press and hold on it. It will bring you to the Wi-Fi settings, and here make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on, and once it is, you will see the list of networks right here, networks available, and you can find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and as you can see it says enter the password in the app. And what you need to do is to open the MiFitness application, and if nothing happens, go back and tap on the network again, and then you will see the pop-up on the screen. And basically you need to enter the password for the network. Tap on connect, and if the password is correct, the watch will connect to the network. And that's how the connected networks look like. Basically you have a list of my networks now. The network is highlighted by blue. That means that the watch is connected to it. You can even tap on the network, and here you have the message that says it's connected to that network. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and basically that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.